Hello and welcome to Bangla Tech Guru. Today I will show you how to add cards on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to YouTube. In YouTube, click on Creator Studio. Click Video Manager. Select which video you wanted to add cards. Now click Add Card button at right corner. You can use any link or your old video. Now select any video. The card will appear on your timeline. You can move card where you want. Now see the right corner of your video, your card will appear here. You can use multiple cards. Now I select my another card. See, this card also works. Reload the page. Now we are going to see at YouTube stream is it works or not. This video is now playing at YouTube. At 46 seconds card will show automatically. You can see instead the card. Please subscribe my channel if you benefited anyway. Thanks for watching.